everyone. Welcome to today's video. So in today's video, we'll basically be discussing about how to choose between government and private colleges and which college you should basically be choosing between government and private colleges. So let's get proceeded with the video. So you all must be aware of the law colleges. There are some government law colleges and there are also some private law colleges. So specifically, if we only talk about Bangalore, we have mix of very good colleges in for the legal aspect, for the legal career. There are various government colleges and private law colleges as well. So which type of law college should you choose in India? So government colleges usually provide affordable education with a reputable legacy, but may lack modern infrastructure and which is genuinely understandable and personalized attention. Okay, so government colleges give very good education legacy in a limited amount of fee, but they may lack infrastructure facilities and the basic modern facilities that we usually get in private colleges. And in private law colleges, the fee is comparatively a little higher but provides modern facilities and industry exposure as well, which government colleges lack of, but comes with higher costs and variable reputation. And private law colleges also have some higher reputation. So choosing between government and private law colleges in India is completely a pivotal decision which can influence your career. So you should choose accordingly your interest, your taste, your preferences. You can either write pros and cons and you can choose accordingly. If higher cost is fine with you, you can go with private law colleges. And if cost is the issue or infrastructure doesn't matter or even cost doesn't matter and you just want to be graduated from a reputed government colleges, then you can go for government colleges as well. Let's throw our lights into some overview of law colleges in India. So, according to recent data, I have researched and got this data for you. India boasts a total of 1721 law institutions. That's a huge number. So private law colleges are around 920, private universities are around 248, government law colleges are around 383, and government universities are around 170. So let's talk about the pros and cons of government law colleges. So government law colleges are affordable. So colleges are subsidized from government, and which results in lower tuition fees and which makes legal education accessible to all, to a broader spectrum of general public and students. And the reputation and legacy, when we talk about that, many government law colleges have a long standing history and are well regarded in the legal community, which can enhance employability. So government colleges have tie up with various other industries and community as well, so that can result in better internship opportunities, better networking opportunities, better kind of employability. It's not guaranteed, but government colleges do provide better employability compared to private colleges as well. And the diverse peer group, the lower fees attract students from varied backgrounds. In private colleges, you will only be networking with a certain level or certain phase of people or students, but in government colleges there are uh, diverse community of people present. Okay, so you'll be meeting with people from different sectors and varied background, so that enhances a learning environment with diverse perspectives. You'll have perspective from different group of people. And let's talk about the cons. So as understandable, limited infrastructure. So government institutions lack infrastructure due to budget constraints. Larger class sizes, since the number of students is higher in government universities, so you will have lot of classmates with you. So higher student to teacher ratios can lead to less personalized attention for each student, and the attendance also doesn't matter much, it's up to you. Okay, and then bureaucratic hurdles, administrative processes might be slower, affecting responsiveness to student needs. These are the pros and cons of government colleges. Now we'll come to the pros and cons of private law colleges. So private law colleges have modern infrastructure, so it will fulfill all your needs, all your modern needs, all your basic needs. Private colleges often invest in state of the art facilities, including well equipped libraries, so and moot courtrooms. So for getting the experiences of good and really fancy moot courts and libraries, you can definitely go for private law colleges. And class size is usually smaller compared to government law colleges, because and hence the lower student to teacher ratio is lower, which allows more individual attention and mentorship. Okay, we also have industry exposure here, which is the one of the major pros of private law colleges. So many private institutions have tie-up with law firms and corporations that facilitates internships and placements. So you'll have better opportunity of internship, experiences and placements. Let's look at the cons. So the higher tuition fees, which is very understandable, because in private colleges you'll usually be charged double, triple of the tuition fees. So the cost of education in private colleges is substantially higher, which is not affordable for all kinds of students. Okay, so you'll have to pay higher fee compared to government colleges, but then you're getting the exposure as well, and the education quality is also good. And reputation. So not all private law colleges maintain the same standards. Okay, you have to do a very thorough research, which is very essential to do law, because you need quality education, and so you need to have a proper research about the reputation of colleges. Not all the private colleges are good. We have come up with one LLM private colleges videos. We'll also be coming up with one law colleges videos, which will cover all the UG colleges, good private colleges. Okay, now we'll see the theoretical focus. Some private institutions may emphasize theoretical knowledge over practical skills, which would impact real world readiness, which is, I completely agree to this. And even through my research, I got to know that a lot of the private colleges in Bangalore or in Delhi also offering more of theoretical knowledge in the field of in the legal field, and the practical exposure is a little less. Okay, so that's all about it. You can also go to the site sextra.com and you can research on it a little more. And we have limited industry ties and larger class sizes, lower tuition fees in government law colleges. In private law colleges, we have strong industry ties, smaller class sizes, and modern facilities. Okay, placement. Let's see about placement statistics. So government law colleges, National Law School of India, which is NLSIU, which is a very good and prestigious college in Bangalore. So it is recognized as one of the premier law institutions, which is very impressive for its placement records, and graduates are basically recruited by top tier law firms and corporate houses. Now we'll have Nalsar University of Law, which is in Hyderabad, which is also very famous. Recently, we saw Dr. Draupadi Murmu. She is the president of India. She visited Nalsar University of Law for the graduation and convocation ceremony. Okay, so which maintains a robust placement cell that facilitates opportunities with leading legal practitioners and firms, translating into high employability. Again, government colleges gives higher employability for its graduates. So these are the top two government colleges in India after NLUs. Now we have Jindal Global Law School for private law school, and Symbiosis. These are the two famous colleges. Apart from it, we have Christ in Bangalore, which is also very good, very good private colleges for law, and it's also not that easy to get in. You'll have to go through exam process and entrance processes. So Jindal Global School also is very good in its global curriculum and diverse faculty, and it results in successful recruitments in both domestic and international law firms. Symbiosis also holds a focus on holistic legal education and has strong ties with the industry that leads to commendable placement records across various sectors. Now we'll see faculty qualifications. In government law colleges, we have experienced academicians. They have often extensive teaching experience and research credentials for sure, contributing to a deep understanding of legal principles. So, for that, for good quality faculty, for experienced faculty, for the faculties who are very much inclined towards research, one can also prefer government colleges over private colleges. There are lots and lots of research opportunities in government law colleges as well. Then we have private law colleges that has diverse and international faculty that attracts from various international backgrounds, which also gives students exposure if one is interested to go and work in abroad. That gives exposure to the student and networking opportunities as well. We have industry practitioners as faculty as well. Many private colleges employ adjunct faculty who are active legal practitioners. So that gives a practical insights to your studies. that will give you a practical approach with real world applications of concepts. Now we will see the emerging trends. We have integration of technology in legal education, and we also have focus on specialized legal fields. So both government and private colleges are now focusing on technology based education, such as their curricula, preparing students for the evolving legal landscape and focusing on specialized legal fields. There is a growing emphasis on niche areas of law such as cyber law, intellectual property rights, and environmental law, aligning education with current industry demands. We have global collaborations. Private law colleges are forging international partnerships, offering student exchange programs and dual degree opportunities, which is a wonderful opportunity which enhances global exposure as well. So the choice between government and private law colleges should be completely up to you through evaluation of factors such as placement records, faculty expertise, infrastructure, which is actually least preferred, financial considerations, and alignment with your career aspirations. Visiting campuses, interacting with current students and alumni can help. Also, review the official placement reports and also provide valuable insights to aid in making an informed decision. So, be very thorough with your research and be very particular about what your needs are. Either you can prefer to government or private, both are equally good and provide the same opportunity, so it completely up to you. Okay, so I hope your insights are a little clear now after watching this video. I'll suggest you to go and research more on this and then take a decision, because it's a valuable decision that you are going to take. Okay, so all the best and thank you so much.